Welcome to this video, where we will explore the history and architecture of the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a true testament to the skill and ingenuity of ancient Egyptian engineering and architecture. Completed around 2600 BC, the Great Pyramid of Giza held the title of the world's tallest structure for over 3,800 years. It was constructed using an estimated 2.3 million stone blocks. The pyramid served as the monumental tomb of Pharaoh Khufu. Its massive size demonstrated his supreme power, provided protection for his royal body, and offered a permanent home for eternal life. The pyramid's construction utilized materials from across the region. Local core blocks came from Giza, while bright white limestone for the casing was transported from Tura. Heavy granite blocks for the chambers were shipped 900 kilometers from Aswan. The workforce, composed of 13,200 to 40,000 skilled Egyptian citizens, was organized into teams of 40, called Zhao. They developed methods, like pouring water over sand, to easily slide heavy sledges carrying the blocks. The builders achieved a precise slope of 51.5 degrees using a slope measurement system called the Sikhed. This exact angle was crucial for pushing the immense weight safely into the bedrock, ensuring the structure's stability. Originally, the pyramid was covered in smooth white Tura limestone, creating a gleaming white mountain. These stones were fitted with incredible precision, but were later loosened by earthquakes and removed for building materials in medieval cities. The original entrance was ingeniously hidden 17 meters high. Modern visitors now enter through the Robber's Tunnel, a violent hole forced through the rock during the Middle Ages. The subterranean chamber is carved directly into the bedrock 27 meters below the surface. Interestingly, the builders left this room completely unfinished and rough. Ascending the Grand Gallery, a towering hallway 8.6 meters tall and 46 meters long, builders used corbelling to step the wall stones inward. This impressive ramp leads directly to the king's final resting place. The king's chamber, the heart of the pyramid, is lined with heavy, dark Aswan granite. It contains the empty sarcophagus, which had to be placed before the roof was finished due to its size. Two narrow shafts point outward toward the sky. To defeat the weight of the pyramid above the king's chamber, builders stacked 5 hidden, empty chambers. A pointed limestone roof, the capstone, pushed the heavy weight safely outward, preventing the room's collapse. The pyramid contains 3 main chambers: the subterranean chamber, which is rough and unfinished, the queen's chamber, which is finished but empty, and the king's chamber made of Aswan granite, which holds the sarcophagus. The area around the pyramid was a city for the dead and the living. It included smaller companion tombs for the royal wives, buried solar boats, and a massive workers' city with bakeries and barracks for the builders. The monument is known as the Eternal Horizon of Khufu. Despite the looting of the king's treasure and mummy, the monument has survived millennia, ensuring Khufu's name is remembered forever.